Warren Buffett, the man known for never making rash decisions, just made some of the biggest portfolio moves in Berkshire Hathaway's history. For years, Apple has been Buffett's crown jewel, his single largest holding. But in his latest 13F filing, something shocking appeared. Buffett sold 20 million shares of Apple, and that's not all. Behind the scenes, Buffett's been making a series of surprising trades, dumping some long-time favorites and pouring billions into new bets that no one saw coming. So what does this mean? Is the Oracle of Omaha preparing for a market shift or seeing opportunities the rest of Wall Street has missed? In this video, we'll break down exactly which stocks he sold, what he's buying now, and what it could tell us about where the markets are headed next. But remember, this video is for educational purposes only, it's not financial advice. Always do your own research and understand the risks before investing. With that being said, let's dive in. Kicking things off, let's take a look at the companies where Buffett has recently trimmed his positions. Apple took the biggest hit, followed by Bank of America, and a few other stocks listed here. So this is what Buffett sold in the latest quarter. Let's now take a look at what he's bought. The first stock Berkshire Hathaway loaded up on is Pool Corporation, ticker symbol POOL. They bought almost 2 million shares in this company, increasing their position by 136%. But before you rush out and buy as well, there are a few important things to keep in mind. First, does Buffett investing mean this stock will just keep going up forever? Absolutely not, which is why it's crucial to watch out for potential resistance levels, the points where the price could hit a ceiling and where you might want to consider taking some profits. So where exactly are these levels? To find out, we can use the Fibonacci extension tool, which looks like this, and the way it works is as the price starts climbing up, these levels of the Fibonacci are generally where we tend to see the price find resistance. So we tend to see the price go up to one of these areas, pull back a little bit, go up to the next level, pull back, and so on. Knowing this, investors using this tool like to lock in some profits around these key areas, which enables them to secure some profits and also buy back at a discount if the price retraces. So based on this, what are some areas where we could see the price find strong resistance in the future and where you might want to consider taking some profits? The first price target for Pool is going to be around here, which is $393. The level above this is going to be around here, which is $463. And the third price target is going to be up here, which is $521. There are some targets above these three as well, and I'll talk more about those in future update videos as the price approaches these three targets. So locking in some profits around these levels could be an exit strategy you might want to consider. Having an exit strategy is very important as it enables you to make the most of runs like this, and it also gives you opportunities to secure profits before heavy retracements. The only thing worse than not taking profits when the price is up here is initially getting in here and watching the price plummet straight away. This does not feel good, but there are some tools we can use to reduce the chances of situations like this happening. And one of those tools is the Fibonacci retracement, which looks like this, and the way it works is as the price starts retracing, these levels are where we tend to see the price find support before it bounces back up. And knowing this, investors using this tool like to either buy or dollar cost average down around these key areas, which enables them to have an average entry price as close to the bottom of the retracement as possible. So based on this, what are some areas where you might want to consider getting into Pool or potentially adding more to your position? The first entry point is going to be around the current price, which is $281. and the level below this is going to be around here, which is $200. So initially getting in around the current price and averaging down at this entry level if the retracement continues down to here could be an entry strategy you might want to consider. Now if you're thinking, okay, these entry points and the price targets make sense, but I don't have the time to constantly keep an eye on the price to catch it when it hits one of these key levels, then don't worry, because I've got a free solution for you. I've got this free service that you can sign up for, and I'll send you alerts as soon as the price hits one of our entry points and also our price targets completely for free. The link to join this is going to be in the description below, but don't worry about signing up now. Feel free to continue watching this video and I'll remind you about it at the end. So Pool was Berkshire Hathaway's first purchase. Moving on to the second stock they invested in, which is NUE. It's currently trading around $154 and they bought 6.6 million shares for around $856 million, which indicates they believe this stock has strong upside potential. To get some price targets for it, we can use the Fibonacci extension tool again, which looks like this for NUE, and some areas that you might want to consider using as price targets are going to be the following. The first level is going to be around here, which is $185. The level above this is going to be around here, which is $206. And the third exit point is going to be up here, which is $235. From where it currently is, if the price was to climb up to this target, we are looking at an upside of around 52%, which is not bad, but we can see even higher returns if we can secure some cheaper entries. So let's now take a look at the Fibonacci retracement for this to get some entry points. Here's what that looks like, and the first entry level is going to be around here, which is $136. The level below this is going to be around here, which is $115. And the third entry point is going to be down here, which is $94. So NUE was the second stock on Buffett's buy list, and you've probably noticed that I'm using technical analysis to break these down. Some people trade based on the news, others focus on earnings, and then there are those like myself who stick to charts and indicators. There are lots of different ways to invest, but if you're wondering which strategy performs the best, the one that's given me the biggest edge is investing alongside key US politicians. Over the past few years, this approach has consistently outperformed everything else I've come across. When certain politicians make moves in the market, it often signals something bigger, and being able to track that has made a huge difference in my results. If you're curious about how it works, I put together this free video that walks you through the exact strategy I use, including real trade examples and the returns it's delivered over the last 3 years. The link to this video is in the description below. Feel free to check it out if you want to see how powerful this strategy can be. Coming back to the third stock on Berkshire Hathaway's buy list, which is UNH. United Health Group is currently trading around $352, and Buffett buying $1.5 billion worth of this stock indicates he believes it could have significant upside potential. To see how much potential, we can use the extension tool again, which looks like this for UNH. And some areas that you might want to consider using as price targets are going to be the following. The first level is going to be around here, which is $484. The level above this is going to be around here, which is $543. And the third price target is going to be up here, which is $627. So as the price starts climbing up, locking in some profits around these levels could be an exit strategy worth considering. But before we can exit, we'll need to enter, so let's now take a look at the Fibonacci retracement for this. Here is what the retracement is looking like, and some areas that you might want to consider using as entry points are going to be the following. The first level is going to be around here, which is $321, and the level below this is going to be around here, which is $237. I will be making update videos on these three companies as the price approaches our key levels. So if you'd like to stay up to date, consider subscribing to the channel. I'll also be bringing you the best investment opportunities multiple times a week, so that's another reason to subscribe. Also, if you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like on the video as that helps out the channel a lot. And if you'd like to learn how to profit like a politician, the link to this free video explaining everything is in the description below. So feel free to check it out if you're interested. As promised, here's your reminder to sign up for the free alerts. The link to join this is also going to be in the description below. If you have any thoughts on these companies or want to share some stocks that have been catching your attention recently, then feel free to leave those in the comment section below. It would be good to learn about those. And if you'd like to watch another video where I talk about a $17 cybersecurity stock that is the steal of a century, then feel free to click on the video that's currently on your screen. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.